Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi Note 14S and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, so we can open the additional options, let's say additional bar, just by tapping on this arrow in the middle. And here we've got the options. So right here, if you can see this crossed out icon, it is connected with the timer. So let's tap on it. And in this device, we've got 4 different options. So off, 3, 5, and 10 seconds delay. Just tap on the specific option I'd like to use. I'll choose 10 seconds. As you can see, it is immediately highlighted. What is more, after getting back to the camera, you can see that it was immediately added to the status bar, let's say status bar, option bar, so we can quickly check whether we've got the timer set or not. So all we have to do right now is to simply tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10, 5 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. So this is how it works. You can also quickly turn off the timer just by tapping on this icon. So just tap on it, it will be immediately crossed out, and we've got the timer off. So from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.